PPE, or personal protective equipment, refers to any equipment worn to minimize exposure to hazards that can cause injuries or illnesses. Different workplaces require different PPE, depending on the risk present. A safety helmet is one of the most essential forms of personal protective equipment because it protects the head, which is the most vulnerable and most critical part of the human body. In workplaces such as construction sites, factories, warehouses, mining areas, and outdoor projects, workers are frequently exposed to hazards like falling tools, loose debris, swinging objects, or accidental head bumps against hard surfaces. Even small impact to the skull can result in serious injuries such as concussions, fractures, and neurological damage. The primary function of the helmet is to absorb, disperse, and reduce the force of impact that reaches the skull. The helmet is designed with a strong outer shell made from materials like high-density polyethylene or HDPE or polycarbonate. These materials are chosen because they provide both durability and lightweight structure. Inside the helmet is a suspension system acts as a shock absorber. This suspension creates a space between the worker's head and the outer shell, allowing the helmet to distribute impact more evenly, preventing a severe head trauma. Some helmets also include chin straps, adjustable bands, and ratchet mechanism to ensure a secure fit. A loose helmet is dangerous because it can easily shift or fall off during movement, leaving the worker exposed right when protection is needed most. In specialized industries, helmets may incorporate features such as non-conductive shells for electrical workers, face shield attachments, earmuff mounts, and reflective markings for high visibility safety. Regular inspection is required because exposure to sunlight, chemicals, or extreme temperatures can weaken the helmet material. Even small cracks or dents can reduce its protective ability, making replacement necessary. In work sites, in many work sites, helmet colors identifies workers' roles, making organization and communication efficient, more efficient, and promoting safety awareness. Overall, the helmet serves as a critical line of defense that prevents life-threatening head injuries and ensure workers that can perform their tasks safely and confidently. Number two, safety goggles. Safety goggles are crucial PPE designed to protect the eyes from hazards such as dust, chemicals, flying particles, sparks, and infectious droplets. The eyes are extremely delicate and even tiny debris can cause severe injuries such as corneal scratches, chemical burns, or permanent vision loss. This is why goggles are designed to seal around the eyes, offering a more complete barrier than the regular safety glasses. Goggles typically use polycarbonate lenses, a material known for its strength and ability to resist high-impact collisions. Some goggles feature anti-fog coating or indirect ventilation system to maintain clear visibility during strenuous work in humid environment. Chemical resistant goggles provide deeper facial sealing to ensure no droplets or fumes enter the sides. Workers in laboratories, cleaning operations, and chemical plants rely on this protection to prevent harmful substances from coming into contact with their eyes. Other specialized goggles protects against heat, UV radiation, bright light, or sparks such as those in welding and metalworking. Straps, seals, and padding helps the goggles fit comfortably and securely. Since loose goggles compromise protection, workers must ensure tight but comfortable fit. Regular cleaning, proper storage, and inspection for scratches or cracks helps maintain their effectiveness. Goggles protects one of the most important senses, vision, and helps workers operate safely in environments filled with airborne hazard and chemical risk. Number 3, face shield. A face shield provides broad facial protection covering areas that goggles, masks, or glasses cannot fully protect. It typically consists of transparent visor made from durable plastic materials such as polycarbonate or PETG, extending from the forehead down to the chin. This design helps to protect the face from chemical splashes, sparks, hot, hot metal, fragments, large debris, and airborne droplets. While face shield offers wide area coverage, they are not replacement for goggles. Instead, they are used together with eye protection to ensure complete safety. Goggles protect the eyes from small particles, while the face shield blocks larger, more forceful hazard. The visor must provide clear vision without optical distortion, which is critical in precise tasks such as grinding, cutting, laboratory work, and machinery operation. Many shields include adjustable headbands, sweatbands, and tilting mechanism for comfort and functionality. Depending on the industry, shields may offer heat resistance, UV tinting, splash protection, or anti-fog properties. Regular cleaning is required to prevent cloudiness and maintain clarity. Scratches or cracks compromise visibility and structural integrity, requi- requiring replacement. Face shield also offers psychological comfort by giving workers sense of full face security, which improves confidence and performance in hazardous tasks. Number 4, ear protection. Ear protection is essential PPE used to prevent hearing damage caused by prolonged exposure to loud noise. In industries such as manufacturing, construction, mining, aviation, and automotive works, noise levels often exceed safe limits. Constant exposure to loud noise can result in permanent hearing loss, tinnitus, or auditory fatigue, making hearing protection vital for long-term health. Earplugs fit inside the ear canal can block sound waves from entering the ear canal. They usually made from foam, silicone, or rubber. Foam earplugs expand to the fit of the user's ear canal, while silicone earplugs provide reusable alternative. Earmuffs, on the other hand, fit over the entire ear and use padded caps to block noise. Some earmuffs use electronic system that can reduce harmful noise while allowing workers to hear voices or alarms. Noise reduction rating, or NRR, determines how effective the device is at reducing noise. In extremely loud environments, workers may need double protection, earplugs, and earmuffs. Together, proper fit is essential because even in small gaps can compromise protection. Therefore, workers must ensure earplugs are inserted correctly and earmuffs sealed tightly around the ear. Regular cleaning, replacement, and proper storage help maintain performance. Protecting hearing is essential not only for safety but also long-term quality of life. Number 5, gloves. Gloves protects the hands from injuries such as cuts, burns, chemical exposure, punctures, and infections. Because the hands are used constantly, they are always at high risk. Various types of gloves are designed to meet specific standards. Cut-resistant glove, made from Kevlar, Dyneema, or steel fibers protects against sharp objects in industries involving metal cutting, fabrication, and construction. Chemical-resistant gloves made from nitrile, neoprene, latex, or PVCE provide protection from toxic or corrosive substance. Heat-resistant gloves are essential for welding, foundry work, baking, and tasks involving hot surfaces. Electrical insulating gloves protects workers from handling energized equipment, and small punctures can render them unsafe, which is why regular testing is required. Disposable gloves provides hygiene and contamination control in healthcare, food, service, and laboratories. Proper glove sizing ensures dexterity and prevents accidents caused by poor grip or restricted movements. Glove must be inspected before use and replaced at the first sign of wear, cracks, or stiffness. Hand protection is one of the most crucial aspects of workplace safety, as injuries to the hand can greatly reduce a worker's ability to perform essential tasks. Number 6. Safety shoes or boots. Protects the feet from multiple hazards such as falling objects, sharp floor debris, heavy equipment, slippery surface, electrical exposure, and extreme temperatures. Foot injuries can be severe and often lead to long recovery period. Reinforced toe caps made of steel or composite materials protect against crushing hazard, while puncture-resistant soles prevent nails, glass, or metal shards from penetrating the foot. Slip-resistant sole provides traction on wet or oily surface, reduce the risk of falls. Chemical-resistant footwear protects against corrosive spills, while heat-resistant boots are used in welding, foundries, and fire-related operation. Electrical insulating shoes prevent electrical shocks when working near energized lines or equipment. Proper fit, comfort, and regular inspection are essential because damaged or poorly fitting shoes can cause injuries. The footwear must match the job's specific hazard to provide complete protection. Protective clothing. Protective clothing is essential PPE for shielding the body from physical, chemical, biological, environmental hazard. This type of equipment includes overalls, jackets, aprons, coveralls, and full body suits. Protective clothing prevents burns, chemical spills, cuts, abrasion, extreme temperature, and exposure to infectious materials. Depending on the industry, the clothing is constructed from materials that balance durability, flexibility, and comfort, allowing the workers to perform their tasks without restriction. Chemical resistant suits are made from materials such as PVC, neoprene, or butyl rubber and provide full body coverage. In environments handling acids, solvents, and other hazardous liquids, they are typically designed with sealed seams and elastic closures to prevent chemicals from entering. Workers in laboratories, chemical plants, and waste management facilities rely heavily on this form of protection. Flame retardant clothing, often made from Nomex, aramid fiber, or treated cotton, protects workers from exposed heat, sparks, and often flames. Firefighters, welders, and workers in petrochemical industry benefit from this clothing that resists ignition and prevent burns. Layering system can add insulation while maintaining mobility. High visibility clothing is another form of protective clothing used to enhance workers' visibility in low light or high traffic environment. Reflective stripes, bright colors, and luminescent materials help prevent collision and with vehicles, forklifts, and moving equipment. Road construction, airport operations, and warehouse logistics are examples of sectors that heavily rely on visibility PPE. Weather-resistant protective clothing protects workers from cold, heat, rain, and UV exposure. Insulated jackets, raincoats, and UV-protected garments maintain comfort while allowing continuous work in harsh environmental conditions. Proper fit is crucial. Clothing that is too loose can get caught in machinery, while clothing that is too tight can restrict movement and circulation. Elastic closure, adjustable straps, and tailored sizing ensure both safety and comfort. Routine maintenance is necessary for effectiveness. Protective clothing must be cleaned according to the manufacturer instruction, checked for tears, chemical degradation, or worn areas, and replaced as soon as damage is detected. Some clothing includes integrated PPE components such as built-in hoods, gloves, or boots, offering full body protection in high-risk scenarios. Modular design allows workers to adapt garments from different hazards. Protective clothing not only reduces immediate injury risk but also safeguards long-term health by minimizing exposure to harmful substances, heat, and environmental stressor, making it indispensable in industrial, chemical, medical, and outdoor work settings. Number 8. Welding helmets. Welding helmets are specialized PPE designed to protect workers' eyes, face, and necks from sparks, ultraviolet, and infrared radiation produced during welding, cutting, and grinding operations. Ice exposure to welding arcs can cause severe burns, photokeratitis, or permanent vision damage. Sparks and metal fragments can cause facial burns, so comprehensive coverage is essential. The helmet is typically features a lens made from tinted polycarbonate or auto-darkening material. Auto-darkening lenses adjust instantly to the brightness of the welding arc, allowing the workers to keep the helmet down at all times, reducing exposure to harmful light. Traditional fixed shade lenses requires the workers to flip the helmet up and down, increasing the risk of accidental exposure. Most welding helmets include headgear and adjustable fit for comfort, ensuring the helmet does not slip or tilt during work. Some models integrate ventilation channels to reduce heat and fogging, while others include sweatbands or padding for extended use. Advanced helmet may incorporate respiratory protection, protecting the workers from inhaling fumes and smoke generated during welding or cutting. Lenses clarity, shade adjustability, and peripheral visibility are critical for safe operation and precise work. Maintenance is important. Scratch lens, damaged headgear, or manufacturing auto-darkening system can compromise safety. Helmets must inspect regularly, cleaned, and stored away from heat or chemicals to maintain functionality. In addition to protection from immediate hazard, welding helmets also prevent long-term eye strain, vision impairment, and facial injuries, making them indispensable in metalworking industries. Number 9. Safety harness or fall protection. A full body harness worn to prevent the workers to fall from heights. The harness distributes force across the legs, shoulders, and torsos, connected to a lifeline or anchor point that prevents free fall, stop the workers from hitting the ground. It saves lives when working on heights, prevents severe injuries like fractures or paralysis. Usually used in scaffolds, roofings, tower works, high-rise buildings, elevator installation. Number 10. Knee pads or elbow pads. Knee pads are cushion pads worn to protect joints during kneeling or crawling. Thick foam or gel absorb pressure. Hard outer shell prevents sharp objects from penetrating. Prevents joint strain and injuries. Improve comfort during repetitive tasks. Usually used from flooring, plumbing, electrical work, and construction. There are still more PPE and I cannot explain them in one video. So this is all for now. Thank you for watching. God bless.